today I'm going to be installing the Sparco steering wheel that my boy Mickey gave me as a gift. Thank you, brother. Which is a combination of the hindquarters and the throttle page combined. This sick ass Sparco steering wheel. We're going to be putting that one on the FD today, and currently the FD right now has the Vertex USA steering wheel, which is a very strong steering wheel, and I freaking love it. One of my main problems is that since it sticks out so much towards the driver, it's very hard to get in and out. I do have a quick release, but I am going to be putting that one on my Rx8, on my Rx2, and I'm going to be putting the Sparco on this one. And the Sparco, because I have red interior, it's going to match way better with my car than the Vertex. First, I got to make space for it. I have flex in there, so I'm going to be moving the flex out the way. I'm going to bring the Rx2 out here. I'm probably going to wash the Rx2 first because I haven't touched it in a couple of weeks. And it's Saturday, so today is car wash day as well. So I might as well pull the rest of the cars out. Dirty. Oh, hey. Let's play a game. What's under the covers? Fortunately for me, the one that I need is right up front. So we'll be turning this one on, letting it warm up, then we'll put it on the driveway and we'll get to work. I just realized that I took off my steering wheel. So I'm gonna have to find one so I can drive it to the driveway. Dang it. So literally, this is my wife's Miata old steering wheel. I don't really. Yeah, it works. All right, this should do it. She's dirty too. So get repainted. All right. Alright, so the car's clean now. I'm going to be moving the rotary Miata out the way. And the Rx2 will go in here because it is really hot out there. Let it warm up. Once she warms up a little bit, we'll just take her out. She's in. Okay, so I believe my keys are in there because I can hear it. Next step, take the adapter off, take the hub out, move it to the Rx2. So this thing is awesome, but you have to fill it up like every 20 or 30 minutes or so. Because it's so hot out here, it's using a lot of the water just to keep the garage cool. Just wait until that goes up. That works. So one of those things that I wanted to show and explain is that all Mazdas have the same hub. There's not a specific Mazda hub. They're all the same. All the Mazda is exactly the same thing. They have the same nut, the same washer, to include my RX2. If we go back to it, so this is a 94 and these are 72, and right here, and this is the Mazda Miata hub, and literally same washer, same nut that the FD has. So if you have multiple Mazda, you can interchange the steering wheels. So right now I'm trying to remove this, and the hub is kind of stuck to it right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab an old steering wheel that I have. I'm going to put it in there, put the bolt in it, and try to wiggle it out. Alright, so the eBay steering wheel, when I was trying to wiggle it to get the hub out, the steering wheel was literally bending extremely bad. So I could use that in the future for something else, so I don't want to ruin it. So I'm going to install the hub, not the hub, the quick release adapter back in, so I can put the Vertex steering wheel back on. The nut is still out, so I can use the Vertex, because I know that's not going to bend, so I can remove the hub. Okay, so now that we have the hub out, the reason why I took the hub out, because the last time I installed it, I broke the pin in here. I still have the other one, so it works. It still works. So I didn't want to break it again when I did the install of the new one. So that's why I removed this, to make sure that I aligned that correctly. I need this. So now that we have the hub over here, what we gotta do is just mount it, bolt it down, and put the Vertex. Steering wheel on it. Whenever you go to install a hub, make sure you look at this little, there's usually little signs that tells you what the top will be. So that's going to be the top bolt that you want to put on. So from here, put the washer, put the nut on it, tighten it down, and then we can move on to the quick release. Even on the quick release has the same little pin on it, mark, so you can know which one goes up. One down, one to go. So these are the little turning signal knobs that you have to watch out for. You need to make sure that it's aligned. And remember how I told you that every hub has a mark for the top section? There it is. That's a little arrow. So that's what you want on top. And then just align the back to that. That way the turning signal can work when you turn the steering wheel. So before I tighten everything up, I like to make sure that the steering wheel is straight. And it is. I know for sure that it's perfectly straight. I'm going to go back to the garage and tighten everything up. So there we have it. One thing I do got to say about this steering wheel, it feels extremely good. It's really soft, but at the same time it has grip. The design, obviously, they did an excellent job on it, and the stitching and the red and the black really matches my car. So it's perfect.